Armed forces of the Russian Federation continue to carry out attack on military facilities in Ukraine, updated on July 3, 2022. Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov reported that high-precision attacks by the Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the elimination of 10 command posts in Spornoye Donetsk People Republic, Lepetika, Nikolaev region, Zelenodolsk, Nepopetrov region, 7 ammunition depots near Konstantinovka, Bakhmut, Donetsk People Republic, Kherson region, Vyzomsk, Nikolaevka, and Polyana, Nikolaev region, and armed forces of Ukrainian personnel and military equipment in 15 areas. In the fight against the battery, highly precise attack by the Russian aerospace forces resulted in neutralization of 3 artillery and 5 mortar platoons near Verkhemenskoye, Donetsk People Republic, Belogorovka, Maloryazantsevo, Zolotayevka, Lugansk People Republic. Operational, tactical, and military aviation missiles forces and artillery have neutralized 32 armed forces of Ukraine command posts, 1 ammunition depots, as well as manpower and military equipment in 287 areas. Russian air defense assets shot 2 Su-25 of Ukrainian air forces near Dniprovnoye, Kharkov region, and Kinevo, Nikolaev region. 10 Ukrainian unmanned area vehicles were shot down near Novoye, Zaporozhye region, Volnovaka, Donetsk People Republic, Dimitrovka, Izyum, Berezovka, and Kupiansk, Kharkov region. 8 multiple rocket launcher system projectiles were intercepted, including 4 from HIMARS near Stakhanov, Lugansk People's Republic, and 4 from Uragan near Popasnaya, Lugansk People's Republic, and Kamenka, Kharkov region, and near the city of Donetsk. A total of 229 aircraft and 134 helicopters, 1,440 unmanned area vehicles, 353 air defense missile systems, 3,893 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 704 combat vehicles with multiple missile system launcher, 3,078 guns and field artillery mortars, and 3,979 units of the special military equipment were destroyed during the special military operation. On the other hand, Ukraine also reported the Russian losses update on 130th days. Russia lost 217 aircraft, 187 helicopters, 1,584 tanks and anti-aircraft warfare system, 246 multiple launcher rocket system, 2,618 vehicles fuel tanks, and 654 manned area vehicles, and also 15 boats.